I'm home, I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, as long as you're alone. When I first met you, I was dressed in black. It was not a fashion statement or emotional plaque. I was just trying to get some colors on my skin. I figured all at once was a good way to begin. And now I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, as long as you're alone. The colors in your hair are a beautiful touch, but I think you're using them as a social crutch. So I think about the time I had a chance to hold your hand. I get so sick, if I flew where I'd crash land. Now I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, as long as you're alone. Well, I'm sorry for the pause in our brief meetings throughout time, but every word I say to you is like a mountain I must climb. So I strap up my boots and let my singing do its talk. Of the time I said I love you wasn't too much shock. And now I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, I'm home, yes I'm home, as long as